Okay, so these are the things that are not going back in the bin. I found these corrugated hearts and a few more of those felt hearts. These are a bigger sized one, and I'm going to try and use some of these up and to decorate with, and the rest will go into my white bins. And then I've had a bunch of sequins in there, and a lot of these sequins could be used not just for Valentine's sequin shaker mixes. So I've got these two here, and I'm going to put these in different containers though, because they're quite bulky. And then I've got these ones here. They've got, I think, little hearts with arrows, and then I think these are just circles, then kind of like a glitter, and then a heart. And then I've got this pack that I got at a dollar store. It's got little cupids, and then hearts, lips, and then kind of cut out hearts, and little teddy bears. And then I've got these as well. So this was a mix I think I got from somebody in a swap. Like, these could be used for Christmas as well as Valentine's. These pretty little things. And then these I got at a dollar store, I think Dollarama. Yeah. And they say love on them. And another mix. And then these here. And so I'm going to incorporate these into my sequin mix, and that, or sequin storage, and that's another area in my room that I will eventually be organizing as my sequins. And then these items here I decided to take out of the bin. They're these little unicorn putty things, but you could use these year-round, not just at Halloween or Valentine's. But I know I got these during Valentine's at Dollar Tree, and you can put little sequin mixes in them. So I'm gonna put these somewhere else in my stash. And same with these. These are little bubble wands, and you take out the bubbles and wash them out, and then you can put sequin mixes in them. And so these you could use, you know, not just on Valentine's. And so that's all the stuff that is not going to go back into the bin. Now I'll show you what I'm purging. And so I purged a bit, not a ton, but I'm still happy I purged some stuff. This stuff here I'll probably take to Value Village. I don't see the people that I scrapbook with wanting this stuff, but I could be wrong. But I don't think so. So I purged these here. I had one pack. I didn't think I needed two. And these, I used some of these, quite a bit of these last year. So I thought I would purge those. I kept a few of these, but I purged a lot of them. I used up a bunch of these, and I figured I could let the last few go. I purged a package of these. I think I had two, and I don't need two. I kept one and purged one of these. I used some of these, but I'm going to get rid of these as well. And figured I had a lot of these kind of bags, so I purged this one, and then this bag, and then there's a few more things in here. I purged these canvas bags. I kept one and then got rid of two. I'm not a real baker. I think I bought these to use these picks, but I have a lot of picks in my stash, so I think I'll get rid of those. And then these felt hearts are quite big, and I just don't think I would use them for anything, so I'll get rid of those. And then there was some glittered hearts and purple and white felt hearts that I thought I could easily purge. And so there's a bit of a purge pile there, and now I'm just going to pause the video, and I'll take my camera down and show you the bin, how it looks now. Okay, so I thought I'd show you the bin and how it turned out. So I've got in the top these 3 bags here of stuff that I showed you earlier, and I think it looks a lot better now. So I've got these wreaths here that will be going either way by the end of this Valentine season. And I was thinking after I paused the video there that all those kind of under here, these kind of bags and stuff there, you can kind of see them. Where are they? Right down here. I think what I'm going to do when I do a Happy Mail, any sort of Happy Mails I do, I'm going to send some of those extra goodie bags, like empty ones, in with any swaps and stuff I do, because that'd be a way to get rid of some of those. So that would be great to get that pile a little smaller. But yeah, I really like, it's a little more organized now. I can kind of actually see everything, and hopefully, like I said, I'm going to use up some of these wooden hearts and these felt hearts, so those won't be in there anymore. And this pail as well, if I don't do anything with that, that's going to go out of my stash. And so yeah, it's a little more reasonable now. So I'm really happy with how this organization turned out for this bin. I got rid of some stuff. I'm wrote an inventory of what I have, and so that'll be taped onto the outside of this box, and then I can put this bin downstairs at the end of my crafting with it. And yeah, I feel better about that. So I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and check out sorry. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and be on the lookout for the next video in this series of craft room organization. I'm not sure what I'll do next. It might be, I wanted to do a bead embellishment box for Valentine's, so I may do something like that, or maybe my paper will be next. So have a great day. Bye for now. So yeah, I'm really happy with how this bin turned out. I think it looks a lot better. I think it'll be a lot easier to grab stuff from it. I love that I did a little inventory of what I have, and so I'll make a copy of that to put in a binder of inventory stuff that I have, and put the other one on the outside of the bin, and then I can put this bin down in the basement when I'm done crafting for Valentine's. And I want to thank you all for watching. If you tackle something in your room and you're reorganizing it, please be sure to use the hashtag CRO2023. We'd love to see what you're doing, Yolanda and I, and I'll leave the links down below for Yolanda's YouTube channel and her Instagram, and check out her videos as well. She's doing some great organizing in her room too. And I'll be back with another video in this series, tackling my Valentine stash. Not sure if it'll be paper or beads, or I think that's about all I have left to show you. So thanks, and then I'm not sure what I'll do next for the series. I'll have to think on that. I've got lots of areas to organize. So I want to thank you all for watching again, and take care and have an awesome day, and bye for now.